This is installing the best-in-class custom ROM on Android devices in 2024. In this video, I will show you how to install LineageOS 21 on your Android smartphone. LineageOS is a popular custom ROM built on the Android open source project that supports over 100 plus Android devices. It's valuable for older devices that no longer receive official manufacturer support. It also provides security updates to address vulnerabilities and also allows you to experience the latest Android updates. Before we begin, let's see the requirements for installing LineageOS 21 on your Android smartphone. You need a compatible Android device or tablet. You can verify if your device is supported by visiting the LineageOS website. And these are the supported devices from different vendors that are compatible running LineageOS based on Android 14. You also need a computer running Windows, macOS, or Linux, a USB cable to connect your device to the computer, and lastly, you need a fast internet connection. Before installing LineageOS on your Android smartphone, it's highly recommended to back up your important data such as photos and videos. Everything on your smartphone will be erased to install a fresh copy of LineageOS. Also, make sure to update your device to the latest firmware. Then head over to the Android developer website and download the platform tools for your computer. In my case, I'm using Windows 11, so I will download the corresponding version. Once downloaded, double-click on the zip file and extract it to the C drive. Now, within this folder, you will find the ADB and Fastboot commands. Let's add this path to the system environment to access them from anywhere. To do so, highlight the address bar, then type env in the search bar and click on Environment Variables. Then select the path option and click on Edit. Create a new variable and paste the path. Now open the command prompt or Windows terminal and type adb -- version. It should display the information about the command indicating that the path has been added successfully. Next up, go to this link and download the Google USB driver. Once the download is complete, extract the zip file. Now inside the extracted folder, find the file named as Android_WinUSB. Right-click on it and select Install to set up the Google USB driver. Now go to the official LineageOS website, then click on Get LineageOS and search for your device. In this video, I will be using the Pixel 7a as an example. I'm going to click on this link to download the necessary files. At the time of recording this video, LineageOS 21 based on Android 14 is the latest available build. I will download all these files and place them into a folder for easier navigation. It's always recommended to refer to the installation instructions for your specific Android device. It's time to unlock the bootloader. Now on your Android smartphone, go to Settings, select Passwords and Accounts and sign out from your Google account. Then remove biometrics such as login passwords or fingerprints. Then navigate to the About page and tap on the build number 7 times to activate the developer options. Go to System, Developer Options, and enable OEM unlocking and USB debugging. Then connect your Android smartphone to the computer via USB port. On your Windows computer, using the command prompt or Windows terminal, enter the command ADB devices. Then on your phone, you may see an authentication prompt. Just go ahead and click on Allow. Now you could see your device is recognized by ADB. Then type this command to reboot your device into the Fastboot mode. Then type Fastboot devices. You can see your device is still recognized by Fastboot. Then type this command to unlock the bootloader. After executing this command, you may see a prompt on your smartphone. Use the volume keys on your device to select the Unlock Bootloader option and press the power button to confirm. And that's it, you have successfully unlocked the bootloader. If your device boots into the stock Android OS, you have to put the device into the Fastboot mode again. To do this, restart your phone and keep holding the volume down button while it's restarting to enter the Fastboot mode. It's time to flash additional partitions and custom recovery. Navigate to the directory where you placed all the files in the command prompt. Then make sure your Android device is in the Fastboot mode. Then using the installation instructions, I'm going to paste these commands one by one to flash additional partitions. And finally, I'm going to paste this command to flash the LineageOS recovery. Now, after that, type this command to reboot into recovery mode. It's time to install LineageOS. Choose Factory Reset using the volume keys and press the power button. Then select Format Data and press the power button to factory reset the device. Now, this will also remove the device encryption. Once done, go back to the main menu, select Apply Update, and choose Apply from ADB. Now enter the command ADB -D sideload and select the LineageOS zip file, then press Enter to flash it. Now, this will take approximately 10 minutes. Sit back, relax, and please be patient. Now, after some time, you may see a warning saying no error even if it's stuck at 47%. Don't worry, the LineageOS installation was successful. Now at this point, you will see a screen on your Android smartphone that allows you to flash the additional packages such as Google applications. If you don't want to install G apps, select No to reboot into LineageOS. Now for those who want to install Google applications, choose Yes to reboot back to the recovery mode. Then on your computer, go to this link and download the latest Google applications. Since I have installed LineageOS 21 based on Android 14, I will choose this package. Then place the zip file where LineageOS is located on your computer. Now on your Android smartphone, choose Apply Update and apply from ADB. In the command prompt, run this command to set up Google applications. You may see a signature verification failed message on your Android smartphone. Simply choose Yes to finish sideloading the Google applications. Once done, choose Reboot to start your device into LineageOS. Now, as you can see, Google Play Store is now installed, and that's it. This is how you install LineageOS 21 on any compatible Android smartphone. Now please check the description for more information and don't forget to read the official LineageOS installation instructions for your specific Android smartphone. If you have any questions or queries, do post them in the comment section down below. I will try to help you. Thanks for watching. This has been KSK Royal. I will see you in the next one.